What is going on, my fellow fiends? This is Professor O back at ChartAddicts. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Just wanted to go ahead and do a quick recap call for you guys. Just an overview on the markets. Just want to keep it short, sweet for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with AUD/USD. Liking how we are having this rejection. We are seeing a potential triple bottom formation. We have an impulse flag correction. All right, you guys see we have some indecision, and we are getting some follow through on the 4-hour time frame. So it is almost 9 o'clock in 5 minutes, which means we will have another 4-hour candlestick, and we are looking to engulf. So I'm liking this risk to reward. I believe it's 100 to 25 to 30 pip stop loss. All right, so it's a 4-to-1, 3-to-1 risk to reward. So essentially we have some divergence as well for some added confluence, and we are bouncing off this channel. All right, so AUD/USD, NZD/USD, we believe we called a buy. It almost tapped our stop loss, but it is looking like it is reversing. So let's just go ahead and move on to that pair. So you guys can see almost tapped our stop loss. We had that indecision, and we are looking like we are getting some bullish momentum. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and move on to a potential Euro JPY setup. We are having some strong selling pressure. All right, strong impulse, and we have a correction, little consolidation with a strong engulfing candlestick yesterday. So you guys can see it engulfed almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days of price action. So if we do have a break of the support, we can potentially look for some selling positions, and we could potentially ride this down further. All right, so again, just looking at the trend, it is on a downtrend. All right, we have some consolidation. We need to have a break retest. Again, that's support and resistance in confluence with some candlestick reversal patterns, doji, engulfing, whatever it may be. Okay, so going on with Euro NZD. All right, again, just scaling the 4-hour high and the 4-hour low. If we do have a break or bounce situation, all right, so we just need to hold off. GU, we're looking for a selling position. Okay. Excuse me. So essentially, we had a strong impulse. Again, we have 1, 2, 3 rejection candlesticks. All right, support to resistance. And so essentially, we're just trading with the trend. All right, those are the confirmations. So we are back at our entry. We did have a break, and it is still testing this trend line. So we'd like to see some follow through. NZD, JPY. Okay, so again, last time we spoke about this pair, I said I would like to see some bullish correction. So again, we have some bullish follow through with this candlestick, and we can potentially look for some buying positions. All right, but keep in mind, NZD, JPY, NZD USD, AUD USD are all correlating pairs. Okay, so keep in mind, if you do take these trades, you are opening your account to wider risk. Just keep that in mind. All right, so it's up to you to see what pair you like. All right, and execute on that. All right, so these are potential ideas for you guys to execute on. All right, so the risk reward is there. Okay, so again, nothing is stopping you guys or stopping me from telling you guys to take the trade. All right, but again, it is almost 9 o'clock, so if we do have a bullish candlestick, all right, we can potentially ride this up for another 100 pips. All right, so I'm liking the risk reward on this setup as well. Okay, and we have a lot of confluence with our confirmations. Okay, so our last two setups, we have USDCHF. All right, we're above our entry price. All right, we're still holding support with our moving average. All right, but again, just looking at the higher time frames, we'd like to see price continue to again the top of the zone with our moving average on the daily time frame. Gold. Okay, so we were looking to sell from this break, all right, but it is currently holding support above this area, so we just need to hold off before we execute on this entry. So again, we were waiting for some rejection over here, but you guys see we never broke this blue zone for a clear signal. Okay, so we still need to hold off on this pair. It could potentially go back to the top of this range, okay, or it could break it. Okay, so we need to have our options open. All right, but again, just looking at the higher time frames. Okay, we are at the top of this consolidated region. All right, so we could have a potential break or bounce. All right, so we thought we had that initial, excuse me, that initial break earlier, but it is still testing this area, you guys. So we still have to hold off on this pair. All right, but other than that, if you guys have any questions at all, please contact us directly. If you guys need any help, please schedule a one-on-one, and I'd be happy to go through that for you guys. So once you guys log on to the website, you want to go into members, and then once you guys go into members, you want to hit one-on-one session. All right, and then this page should open up, and you guys should be able to book a private coaching session. All right. In that, you guys should be able to, select a time that works for you and an educator that fits, your trading style. All right. But again, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. All right. Hope everyone has a wonderful day, and God bless for checking out this call. Chart Addicts, baby.